Alright, this is where you find a bulldozer. There's most of the time there's multiple bulldozers around here. Yep, and I just found out that's right here. The fun things about this. Hey, Alec, get in the shovel of this. No, not dangerous at all. Me and Alex go for a ride. Me and Alex going for a ride, okay? Whoa, what just fell? I don't know what just fell. Alec, where are you? What's going on? I don't care. I don't care, dude. I don't care. It's the best idea ever. Get out of here. Okay, and this is another thing that's fun about this bulldozer. Well, as I was gonna say, you could lift up cars, but apparently he didn't want me to show you guys, so enjoy.